Today, I'll show you how to transfer GCredit to GCash wallet. Before we start, it is important to understand that GCredit is not designed as a cash out or wallet transfer feature. GCredit is a credit line inside GCash. It is mainly used to pay for eligible purchases, bills, QR payments, and selected online or partner transactions. So, if you are looking for a direct button to transfer GCredit into your GCash wallet balance, you will normally not find one. GCash does not usually provide an official option to instantly convert GCredit into regular GCash wallet money. Be careful with people or pages online offering GCredit cash out, GCredit conversion, or GCredit to GCash wallet services. Some may ask you to scan a QR code, make a fake purchase, send your account details, or pay a processing fee. These methods can be risky, may violate GCash rules, and can lead to scams, account restrictions, or debt that you still need to repay. If you need money in your GCash wallet, use official cash-in methods instead. You can cash in through a bank account, debit card, over-the-counter partner, or another supported GCash cash-in option. You can also check if you are eligible for other official GCash services, such as GLoan, if available in your account. If your goal is to use GCredit, use it only where GCredit appears as an accepted payment option. For example, when paying bills or making an eligible purchase, choose GCredit at checkout if it is available. Review the amount, fees, interest, and due date before confirming. So, to keep it simple, you cannot normally transfer GCredit directly to your GCash wallet. GCredit is for supported payments, not cash withdrawal. Use only official GCash features and avoid third-party conversion services. And that's what you need to know about transferring GCredit to GCash wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.